Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It's another month of Super Geek Box. And of course, all the good stuff will be down below where you guys can save some money. I believe my promo code is down below and the link. All you gotta do is check out, save some money on your box every month. And you get some goodies. Super Geek. Usually get some t-shirts. Some buttons. There we go. I smell something funny in here. Smells pretty good though. Not sure what this is. Alright, here we go. This month we have I'm not sure what this reference is. Man, what's that stinky? Can't do it. Smells like tropical. Deal with it. Another snapback. What is that smell? Pina colada, it smells like. Strong. We got some booties. Sock booties. Tighten fits. Oh wow. It's MEGAMAN. He is strong. Holy moly, if you guys could smell it. This is some heavy stuff. Woo, we got a sticker. And we got the pin. It's pretty cool. And that's about it. Sapphire. Tighten fits. Supersonic running socks. MEGAMAN. That. Really cool. And March. Be Infinity and Beyond. That's like what? Star Wars, Spider-Man, Thor. Super Geek. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Super Geek Box. Use my promo code to get some money off of your box. And that's about it today. I'll see you guys back in the next video. See ya.